Today we're going to be installing the fork lug protectors. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a range of parts on this GasGas to make it race ready.
Redesigned in 2022 for better protection of the axle and caliper bolts, and now with a large chamfer around the perimeter to reduce edge grab and ramp the fork away from the obstacle. Made from the same long-lasting composite plastic as the TMD rear chain guides. This lightweight lower fork guard that helps protect the lower fork lugs from rocks and impact damage. The TMD plastic fork guards slip and slide over rocks with much less friction grab than aluminum. Fast and easy installation, and includes with new longer mounting bolts.
That's it for today, guys. For just a quick few minutes of working on your bike, we have your bike now race ready and well protected. Check out our website and stay tuned with our social media to stay up to date with our latest racing and product news. We'll see you out on the trails.